Hi, I'm here today to introduce the two-way bicycle alarm system. This system includes an alarm that fits onto any bicycle frame and a handheld beeper. Here we have fitted the alarm system to the bike. As you can see, it's easily fittable to anywhere on the bike frame. In my hand, I have the beeper. What we're going to do now is activate the system. First, we switch on the alarm. Now, we switch on the beeper. Now, the whole system is activated for you to have some peace of mind. The main function for this system is to let you know when your bike is being moved or tampered with. So how to activate the system? 2 easy steps. Number 1, switch on the alarm. Number 2, switch on the beeper. Now, if somebody moves your bike, the handheld beeper will let you know that your bike is being tampered with. Function 2. If somebody were to turn off the alarm or destroy the alarm on the bicycle, the beeper system will let you know that the alarm has been switched off or destroyed. On the beeper you have 2 functions, the mute function and the seek function. The seek function works for if you have lost your bicycle in a car lot or car park and you need to find it. You press the seek function and your bicycle will send out an alarm to the beeper. And once you find your bicycle, you can just press the mute button and there you go, bicycle found.